Hey, I'm gonna show you how to use an iPod with a not working home button. Now, I got this iPod a few months ago, and the home button doesn't work. See, I'm pressing down on it, nothing's happening. So, what you want to do is go on settings. If you get the newest update, go on settings, and just hold on, and then go to general, and then go on the accessibility, and then go on excessive touch. It's on mine, but I have adjusted already on there. Excessive touch, and this basically this. You get a substitute for home button. See that? And you can also do this too. You can double click for it to see the menu down there, or you can 4 clicks. Hold on. Yeah, that's basically it. Alright, subscribe to my channel. One.